Today we are testing out Claude AI inside of Blender. I made this model a while ago and want to see if Claude could remake it. I am on a pro subscription, so I'm going to use Opus 4.8 High. And I'm using this prompt. Remake the object inside the image in Blender. Make sure it has the same colors. Now I press Ctrl V to add the image. And press Enter. While we are waiting for Claude to finish, if you also want to use Claude inside of Blender, then I made a tutorial video on how to install Claude inside of Blender. The link is in the description. Back to the video. Okay, it's done and it looks very small. Let's get a closer look. Okay, turn on colors and ooh. It just did basic colors. I mean, there is kind of an effect in here, but it's not that special. Also, this is just one color, it seems. And the topology, it's a lot. And then I wonder, are these, it looks like 3D, yeah, it's 3D text. But he did it well, he followed the round edge around here. Okay. So, and this is also a lot of topology, and this piece is also a lot of topology. This, maybe the vertical ones. And let's see how the naming went. Spot the cap, color, and also the lights. So let's see how it looks when I... cycles is already on. So when we change to render view and then access this and go in here. So this is my grenades. And as you can see, it got the form kind of right. But really not the textures and like the hard surface part, like here and over here. It doesn't have that. So it's a good starting base, but it's not like perfect. And this is how the usage looks after this prompt. Next, I want to see how well Claude does without an image. So my prompt will be, make a 3D smooth yellow rubber duck with eyes in Blender. This time it already went into the camera view. And as you can see, it made a simple rubber duck. Ooh, but a lot of topology. Beak. And oh, again, a lot of topology. But I mean, it made it. And it even set up the camera again. Not fully in frame. And to check how it called it in the maps, it gave all the parts names. For the tail, the pupils. Okay. Interesting. I like the design. It's a lot of topology for the model, but it can always be lowered, maybe with more prompts. Now our final prompt will be trying to make a material. So this time I made a prompt with ChatGPT and press enter. Okay, so it's finished up and now we're gonna have a look. It's still in solid view, so I'm going to material preview. And it's white, that's probably loading. And okay, that doesn't really look that impressive. Maybe if I change to cycles, it might look better. It doesn't really look that good, I have to say. This looks like a Vonaroy that is dark brown and has light brown underneath it. For the people that are interested, oh my god, holy shit. That are a lot of nodes. Yeah, so for anyone interested, Yeah, this is all the nodes it used. And this is the result we got with a one-shot prompt.